Hello, Mr. Berger. This is Jana Hedden again. I've got my BMI calculator here. It is page 462 and 463. It is a 1-star, so I have 2 to turn in this week. It's case project 11.1, and let's go ahead and I will put in the variables that are in the book, which is 143, and height in inches is 68, and the book's got for an answer 21.7. So let's compute that BMI. All right. Okay, and now I'll go back. Well, this one works better. I'll go back and do it again. Let's suppose the person weighs less and is shorter. Let's do an 100, and their inches is 60. So they're 5 foot tall and they weigh 100 pounds. Let's see what their BMI is. It should be less than 21.7, I hope. Yep, 19.5. Now we're going to do a big person, same height, different weight, or same height as what's in the book. Let's see here. I'll put them at 200, and I'll give them an extra inch. 5'9", and the BMI there is 29.5. Alrighty, I'm gonna put you on pause while I get the other set up. Okay, here's just my screen that I go by. Here's the BMI calculator, and then here's the home mortgage interest, which I'm getting ready to show you, and it's case project 11.2, and it's 2 stars. So that's the one we're going to work on next. Well, that didn't go as expected. So here I am looking, trying to find it. But anyway, I was going to show you that my BMI is for the phone too, because I showed it on the tablet, which I have to do for this home mortgage interest because of some math thing or something they wanted me to, this base bundle editor thing that they wanted me to do, and they said it was only 21. So that's on the home mortgage interest. This one's not running. Okay, pause again. Okay, here I am again with the BMI calculator, and I'll just put in what the book said. So that looks more like the book. Alrighty, that's that, and I'll work on the other one. Okay, here's my home mortgage interest. I'm going to try again. I'm going to put my monthly payment at 45.78. Number of years, let's just use 10 years. And actually, I'm going to do it by the book because I can't figure out if I'm only paying 40. I don't know realistic numbers is what I'm trying to say. So 982.77, and then number of years they have on here 30, and then they have the initial principal at 125,000. So there's my first. Compute interest. Oh. Okay, this is the logcat file for the last time I tried to run it. Let's see here. Which would start. How about, well, this one right here. Too much work on its main thread. Okay, there's something about cannot be cast to Android OS base bundle, and that's what I had put so I could get the decimal place in the first one, where the number of monthly payment, the amount of your monthly payment. I had tried the number with the capital decimal. The input type is number decimal, but that did not work. So this told me to do this base bundle, and that's why I could only do it in 21, but now it's saying something about that. So what I'm going to try now is just to put it as a whole number, and then I'll just put in the monthly payment at $9.83 and see what's up with that. Yay, I'm back. Let's see if this works. Okay. I'm going to put in the wrong, and that is my BMI calculator back. I want to go back. Well, okay. Home mortgage interest. I'm going to put in, it needs 10, 20, or 30 years. Hello, I'm waiting on this. Well. Uh, Hold on. I put in the wrong number of years to see what happens. It let me so far. Somewhere it should give me a toast message. It didn't. Ah. Okay. Did you see that down there for a few? Oh. Oh, okay. I am recording. Well, it went. Then it goes to my second page. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, and I'm just going to do the example in the book, and it was the monthly payment of $982.77 and 30 years and $125,000 compute interest, and then that's the total interest paid. And the book and I disagree by 1 penny, and I don't know if that has to do with a floating double or whatever. Go back and do. I'll put $1,000 over 20 years, and I'll do the same. Okay, so I must have hit on something that made it even dollars there, and there's my 20. Okay, oops. Do $1,000, 0.59 for 10 years, and 123,000. Okay, there's my 10. Total interest paid. I wonder if I paid too much. That's why I didn't want to do anything but what the book did. That went into my Oasis Spa. Don't tell me how that. So this is my code for the home mortgage interest. This is the main Android page. I mean the main activity page. I've got my imports and I'm declaring variables, class variables up here. And then I've got my on create and getting the input in on the edit text. And then this is the click when the people click the button to compute. And then it's just getting it to what the computer can read and putting it in the editor so that it can go into this class. And then this class is an activity class, and it does the formula, and then this is to set the pictures and the result of the total interest into this decimal format. And then if they inputted 10 years, then it'll have a picture with 10 and 20 and 30, so forth. Okay. And then going back to the BMI calculator. This is the first one. You've got your final and your intake of the weight and the height. And then it changes it and puts it in the editor for this class to use it. And this is where it gets it out. And then it does the calculation and then tells you the answer. Alrighty. I will let you go. Have a great one.